wardrobe. The worst part about traveling is the noise people make. It's not so much the hotel rooms, but the smaller the rooms, the more the sound reverberates throughout the entire room, and it really gets under your skin and bang away on your nerves after some time. So for a 5-star hotel and a suite like that, it easily costs you 90,000 yen and above. I had a difficult time traveling around, and traveling takes a lot of things, a lot of life and a lot of energy out of me. And sometimes I just want to give up, throw in the towel. It's a non-smoking room. Attitude. I hate attitudes. People with attitudes, they really irks the hell out of me. Anyway, take care. See ya. Bye.